Hey everyone, back again with another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna go to show you that how you can resolve the issue. Issue is that when some users using Instagram messages and they send are you Instagram messages sending right now to any persons in your DMs and you may facing that many users facing issues with their Instagram DMs not working and stuck on sending or not delivered properly. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix Instagram message not sending problem in step by step. So just follow all the steps. I'm gonna tell that in this video to fix your issue. Simply just go to the settings of your iPhone and have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, simply just go to the general section and just go to the software update and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, simply just go it down and let's go to the VPN and management section. Just tap on that and just disconnect VPN from here. After that, simply just tap on transfer reset iPhone and just tap on a reset and then reset the network settings from here. After doing all that stuff, simply just go back and simply just go scroll up and just find iPhone story. Just tap on that and just tap on Instagram and just upload the app from here. And again, after uploading the app, you just have to just getting again option of install the app. So I'm gonna tell that in the description of that this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data, and installing the app will instead your data if the app is still available for download. So basically that means that when you just upload the app and it's only delete the Instagram app, not its no data. So when you just install the app and it come up all with the data, you recently login accounts, anything. So that's the setting. You have to make sure that to fix your issue. After doing all the stuffs, simply just go back and just power of your iPhone. Just press the power button and the volume button, and just again power of your iPhone and again on it. After that, simply just on your iPhone and just go to the Instagram and try to log in your account and just going to the DMs and try to messages. And it may face that you're probably gonna solve after that all the settings. So this is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.